I wanted to try making Agedashi tofu. I made it once before and it did not do a very good job. So I asked some people for advice and I got a great suggestion to add Shimeji mushrooms on top. So for my ingredients, I have some Momen tofu here. I'm gonna coat that in potato starch and fry it in some canola oil. And for my Shimeji mushroom sauce, I'll be using soy sauce, mirin, and rice vinegar. So my tofu is draining here, and I've just put a cutting board on top of it to help press that down. And my Shimeji mushrooms have all been separated into this bowl. So I'm ready to get started on my sauce. lot easier that round. I had the oil temperature right, which was really nice. I didn't burn any of them, which was also really nice. Draining the tofu helped a ton because then you don't have water, you know, popping in the oil. And my mushroom sauce looks awesome. I did lose some mushrooms as I was pouring it on, and maybe should have had like a round plate for this, but super excited to dig in. So I'm gonna try this. Oh my gosh, it looks awesome. Okay. Mmm. This turned out so well. The mushrooms are super soft. I get this nice acidity from the vinegar. I cooked these very well, if I do say so myself. The tofu pieces are so warm on the inside, crispy on the outside. I'm really excited for Sky to try this because she likes shimeji mushrooms, and I think she might really like this dish. I'll definitely be making this again.